Good morning, guys. We made it to Friday. Can you believe we went through one whole week of e-learning? It's great, huh? The week really went fast. So for that, I am thankful. Um, Today, what we are doing, so you'll have three things to do today. Um, First, you'll do a spiral, and that is in the spiral section on classwork. You'll have a Google form in the Pythagorean theorem part of our classwork. And then I'm going to put a Padlet on for you guys to do. And that's really not math oriented. It's just more about how we're feeling and how things are going. I'll have directions in there, but I want you to put in your Padlet, you need to include one thing you've learned this week, whether it's about technology or math or just e-learning in general or anything. One thing that you've learned this week. One thing you miss about going to school. I know there are lots of things. There's about 74 things that I miss about going to school, and that's you guys. And then after you've done your Padlet, then I want you to get back on a little bit later today and comment on at least two others Padlets that have been posted by your classmates, just so we can start having some more communication with each other. Because next week I have a couple activities planned where you're going to have to actually search each other out to find somebody who has the same answers as you do. So I'm looking forward to next week. I think we get to Kahoot next week, so I'm anxious for that. I hope we can get as many kids on there as we possibly can. I'm looking at that either on Tuesday or Wednesday next week. So we still have some good opportunities, even though we're not together. There's still some really good fun opportunities for us to work together. So I'm really, really probably the most proud of all of you that you've taken an effort to try to get on and do some things mathematically and just try some things out with technology that you might not have known. It's challenging. I agree. I'm fairly tech savvy, and there's some things that are really difficult for me right now too. So I'm just really, really proud of those of you that have gone on and made the effort. Check in on your classmates, even if you're not friends with them. If you've noticed that they haven't checked in on a Padlet or something like that, hey, just send them a text or send them an email. Make sure they're okay. It's really, really important that we get everybody into class. I'm still short on a lot of the Pythagorean theorem assignments, both in Khan Academy and the slideshow. So if you haven't got those completed, please try to get those finished up today so we can start fresh on Monday. Enjoy your weekend. I think tomorrow it's supposed to be kind of gross weather, so try to find some things to do inside, play some board games, read a book. Those would be some good things. I think I'm going to sew. So just enjoy your weekend. Next week, remember, we're just going to do the hangouts, the live hangouts on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And I would really like to see your faces if you have time to check in. If not, make sure you're completing your work, because that is how I'm taking attendance. Also, I'm still noticing on those spirals, some of you are only getting one correct, which just tells me you're not trying. You're just going in to click the answers to get it done. That is not acceptable. At some point, we probably will be taking grades, so just keep that in mind. So use Fidelity when you do everything. All right, guys, I'm really proud of you. I really miss you, and I will see you again on Monday.